Is videotaping?
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's recording.
And so
Okay.
what this is represents how the keyboard is laid out. So the piano, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4,
Doris, can you do
5,
this?
6, 7, 8.
I have to give him those numbers with my fingers. Dile, Sheila.
So, all
All
right, so you have some person named the conductor, so that can be, yeah, Dora. She's going to, all right, when the person, this number is called, they jump up in the air.
So am I going to say it, or am I going to just use my finger?
You can use your fingers at first.
Okay.
And I didn't bring like a keyboard, I have this.
Okay.
So,
Should Erica be a black bee too?
Oh, poor Erica. Was that a wow, Erica?
alright, so
Wow.
this is what this will sound like.
Mark should be a brown key. Sylvia should be a white key. Me too, I'd be white.
So, how many notes did I play?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7.
One is,
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la.
okay, so who's the first one?
Whoa.
You can get that? So, one, two,
I like this.
This is cool.
So now, with that established, she's going to call out certain numbers to me over here, using gestures or something like that.
Right.
I stepped on my glasses. I can't see anything.
Oh.
Wait a minute. This could work. We got there.
Really? Okay.
Oh, man.
Is she supposed to jump?
Can you guys do that in order of what you just did?
Yeah, but can you stand? No,
Stand over there? Okay. So I'll try it again.
You don't have to do a Ventura activity with this. This is good enough. This is perfect. This is non-competitive. This is perfect.
The goal of this is to start thinking in terms of numbers and not in music. And I've been interested in this because I've tried to explain this concept to my PhD professor.
Sit right here and talk.
Oh.
So everyone can hear.
Well, actually, you can stand and start with one more. So this is so simple.
We got the concept.
And Andy?
Right. So now
Chris.
you can work backwards just to start thinking about numbers and things like that. So try the first, third, and fifth.
Oh, my.
Jump and try to spell things backwards. There you go. So variations on the game. So with
Why are you looking at me?
I got to memorize the numbers. Well, you start really conducting a pick sequence. So it's like one person want to pick sequence. Okay, so all right, so try to create a sequence of numbers, and that will create. So this is
Awesome.